Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. Not bad weather. We did have some cooler weather on both Saturday and Sunday and some shower activity today. And boy, as we look outside our weather window up north, up at Okanagan County, outside our Billy Goat Sky-Fi Tower camera, you can see the town of Pateros and Brewster and a lot of dark clouds along the horizon up north of that country, and some clouds there with some light showers, and we all experienced a little bit of that shower activity today. I'll tell you, anything is better than what we've had, which is basically nothing lately. So after we get by today, maybe some clouds lingering tomorrow and some showers in extreme Washington, we are going to dry out and begin to warm up, especially on Wednesday, where we will see temperatures around 90. Thursday, we're talking highs in the upper 90s, and then look what happens this weekend. Another heat wave begins. It'll begin for us on Thursday, go right through the weekend. We're talking temperatures, I think, between 100 and 105 degrees. But the big variable in all this, right here, smoky skies. If we do have that haze and smoke move in this weekend, I don't think we'll see those triple-digit temperatures. So what do you prefer, some smoky, cooler temperatures or no smoke and those hot temperatures? And we could see either one as we get into the upcoming weekend. It was a cool one today. In fact, we were 14 degrees below where we should be for this time of year. Our normal is 90. We just managed 76 degrees today. Folks, we're talking lows at 76 by the time we get into this weekend. Our record high just a few years ago, 105 degrees, and that was set in 2022. This morning, 66, right in line with our normal low of 64, 52 our record low, and that was set in 1983. Airport registered 1/100th of an inch of rain, and that was mainly around noontime, and that gets us to 3.21 inches for the year, and we're still over an inch and a quarter below where we should be for moisture for this time of year. Sunrise 5:36 this morning and sets tonight at 8:38. All right, let's get you into those Tuesday temperatures now. We will begin that slow warm up. 87s in the Columbia Basin, Moses Lake, Ephrata, and Quincy. Omak will be the warm spot at 88 degrees, and then primarily mid-80s from Ellensburg into Wenatchee over to Kashmir and up to Chelan as well, with low 80s for Lake Wenatchee and for Leavenworth for high temperatures tomorrow. So that'll still be below where we should be for this time of year. Taking a look at tonight, we have high pressure that's beginning to build in. Here's that trough of low pressure that brought us the clouds and some shower activity. We could still see some of that lingering behind the front, so we'll keep about a 20% chance of scattered rain showers tonight. Temperatures in those low to mid 60s for our overnight lows. Getting into Tuesday, mostly sunny. We could still see quite a few clouds over in western Washington. It'll be a slow warm up tomorrow anyway, with high temperatures in those mid 80s. So if you like cool weather, by all means, get out there on Tuesday. Wednesday, sunny and warmer. High pressure beginning to build up and over the Pacific Northwest, and it's going to allow all that southwestern heat to move our way. High temperatures around 90 on Wednesday, and then it's going up from there. First day of August on Thursday, and that will also be the first day of another heat wave for us. We're talking temperatures in the upper 90s to near 100 degrees. All of the West Coast scorching hot as we get into Thursday. And look at this for Friday, sunny and hot. If we don't see haze and smoke, we could be talking temperatures near 105 degrees on Friday. And folks, it is going to be a hot weekend. A wisp of high clouds on Saturday. We'll call it mostly sunny. High temperatures between 100 and 105. And as we get into the end of our forecast and our weekend on Sunday, not much change. High pressure in the desert southwest, and here we go with all that air moving our way, and it's going to stay this way for a while too, folks. High temperatures Sunday between 100 and 105. Remember, our last heat wave lasted 18 days. It looks like this one's going to be pretty prolonged as well. We'll know much more as our week progresses. Overnight tonight on our 7-day forecast, 64 degrees, 85 tomorrow, 90 on Wednesday, and then folks, it just keeps going up from there. 98 on Thursday, 104 possibly our high temperature on Friday. And look at that upcoming weekend. A mix of clouds and sun Saturday and 102. Sunny and 102, your high temperature on Sunday. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.